Well, good morning. Welcome to our first virtual event. I don't know about you, but I've never done one of these before. So hopefully you all can see me and I'll be able to see each of you shortly. Um, we have lots of really fun activities planned for this week and a nice giveaway and some beautiful videos that we have filmed over the last couple of weeks. So I really hope that you follow and like our Facebook page. My name is Linda Braunschweiger, and I have the privilege of being the CEO of this wonderful organization for the last 10 years since our inception. The Housing Trust Fund is a unique model. We leverage public and private and charitable funds all into a revolving loan fund for the development of affordable housing. And that is a great concept when you're thinking about donating to the Housing Trust Fund, because we can take every dollar and leverage it 10 times. So very big bang for your buck for if you decide to donate to the Housing Trust Fund. We are the leading early lender in affordable housing in Ventura County. And we develop homes and apartments with the funding and partnering with nonprofit affordable housing developers as well as for-profit developers. These units are usually focused on low to extremely low income working individuals, whether they be farm workers or veterans or homeless or youth transitioning for foster care. I hope as you go through your week that you think about things like, where did the vegetables and fruit come from that end up on your table? Who takes care of your parents that are aging or your children? And what about those healthcare workers that are doing an amazing job today in urgent care and at hospitals and clinics? Well, many of those workers, unfortunately, cannot afford to live in this county. We need to work together to fix that problem. Our community is simply stronger when we have a thriving population of workers who are housed locally and can get to their work and their community activities easily. Let's also remember our veterans who have protected our freedom. Sadly, today, too many of them are homeless. And that is just simply not good in my book. We need to fix that problem as well. The really good news is the Housing Trust Fund partners with all 10 cities and the county. So I want to give a special shout out and a thank you to the city of Camarillo, Fillmore, Moore Park, Ojai, Oxnard, Port Hueneme, Santa Paula, Simi Valley, Thousand Oaks, Ventura, and the forward thinking of the leadership of the County of Ventura. We all are aware that the last months have been historic and difficult. This weekend has been extremely difficult. But our amazing sponsors of this compassion campaign made our team feel truly cared. When we converted our June 4th annual event to this virtual campaign, they stood by us. So I want to give a big thank you to the event title sponsors, City National Bank and Hope Housing Opportunities for People Everywhere, who each gave $10,000, and Montecito Bank, who gave us $5,000. Additionally, we'd like to thank our other lead sponsors, Boston Private Bank, City of Thousand Oaks, Community West Bank, Pacific Western Bank, and Wells Fargo Bank, and everybody else who has contributed prior to this event. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Later today, we're going to be posting a video right here. So you need to be sure that you tune in as Dawn Dyer, who we affectionately call our founding mother, and I will talk about the history of this organization as well as what we have plans for the future. Then later this week, we have a virtual tour of many of the affordable housing developments we have funded over the years. It's a beautiful tour of flight and sound. You cannot miss this. We will also be sharing some really compelling stories of perseverance. Now, this is live, folks, so that's my dog turning the camera for you all. Sorry about that. So we will be talking about stories of perseverance from members of our community who did receive a health up from affordable housing. And we're going to learn where they are today and the difference that affordable housing made in their lives. For those of you who know me well, and some of you are online, and I so appreciate it, Sean Morelli's on right now, and Kathy Nye, we're just so excited you guys are here. It's just great. And I think there's at least 10 or 12 others on board. So that's really exciting for us. Hi, Marnie. Great to see you online. But we're going to be doing this week a recipe for home. And for me, a non-cooker, I still have very fond memories when my kids were little and the neighbor kids would come knocking on the door on Saturday in the middle of the day and ask if I'm making my famous beanless chili dip. And of course I would, and all the kids would come in and gather. Those are the memories of recipes and home that we all cherish. So I'm really excited that this week we're going to be doing a recipe for home giveaway. It's really beautiful. So go on our Facebook page, put a memory about what food or a recipe means to you, share that recipe or share a photo. Our wonderful leader of this campaign, Lynette, posted one that was from her childhood, from her grandmother, and you'll see my recipe there that I posted last Friday. So make sure you go on our Facebook page multiple times this week and share and have some fun. You know, whether you grew up in a home or, a house or an apartment, really recipes and food and laughter and family, that's what makes a home. So this week, there's lots of fun activities going on. Although it's been a really emotional and challenging time, I hope that you and your families are feeling safe and well. So we'll be sharing this week other ways that you can support and give to your community, your neighborhood, your cities, your communities through our compassion campaign. We'll be sharing ideas of what people are doing, of how they're helping their neighbors. We hope that you will go on our Facebook page and post things that you're doing to give back and to share in our community. This is important because everyone deserves a home. And that's our mission this week, is really to focus on the fact that everyone deserves a home. So thank you and enjoy this unique, innovative week that we have in store for you. But we have even more. This week, every night starting this evening, we have a living room lounge. It'll start at 7 p.m. right here on Facebook. And you don't want to miss these performances. It will be a great way to relax at the end of these stressful days. Kick back and join us. So tonight, I'm excited to announce that we have an amazing young talent, Aiden Baffa. She's a local up-and-comer. I think she's about 11 years old, amazing singer, and she's written an original song specifically for this event titled Highway 33. We also have this evening Will Bremen. He was the top 8 finalist of season 17 of The Voice. And I'm telling you, there's some really exciting performers each night. And so I hope you chime in at 7 o'clock, listen in, enjoy the song, and you will not regret it. It'll be a great week for you. So I want to thank you for joining us this morning. I know it's morning time and people are getting ready for work, but I hope that you will join us throughout the week and check out all these fun and exciting things. So hope to see you during the week. Thank you so much for being here this morning. Bye-bye now.